Word art. Word art is the special effect in Word to change the appearance of the text. You can create shadowed, skewed, and stretched text that has been fitted to shapes. Word art allows you to create text effects that are not available through font formatting. To insert word art, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Select the text you want to apply the word art. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. Click on the Word Art command in the text group. Step 4. A Word Art Quick Style Gallery drop-down with various style options appear. Select the desired style.
Formatting word art. You can edit or format the word art text by changing the style, fill color, line color, and other settings. Look at some examples.